Hello friend. Today we are going to see VS Code and its theme and icon. So let's get started. So first we will search VS Code in our Chrome browser. Here you have to click on the link of VS Code that is visible first. You have to click on download on the first Windows icon you see. You click on download button, downloading VS Code will start automatically. After downloading the VS Code installation file, you have to install it by double-clicking directly. Accept the agreement and click Next. If you want change installation path, you can select any path, but I'm not change anything. Next. If you want to open VS in whichever folder, then you see this 2-tick option here, click on it and press the Next button. Do not untick other options. Next. Wait for installation VS Code. Launch VS Code. I already had it installed. So this is directly my old work. There it opened itself. This is another advantage VS Code. Here I close my old work I did and open new window of VS Code. So the VS Code is started anew here. I will write some small code. Let us start with the C language. So you can save this file by pressing Ctrl key and S key. I save the file in my system and give file name as my first code and use C language extension. Here you can see that you will get many extensions. So, according to whatever work you are doing, you can select the extension and save the file. So now I am going to save this file using C extension. Just like I used an C language extension, the VS Code is telling me that you will need a plugin to use it for the C language extension. Here we see, by clicking on the Show Recommended, which one is suggesting to you VS Code for plugin. See here VS Code is telling me that you have to use C++ this plugin. If you want to work in C language, this is Explorer option, here you can see all your files. After that comes the search option, you can search the file by using this option. After that comes the Git option, then I will tell you this sometime later. Tell me in the comment if you want to know about it. After that comes the run and debug option. This function using you can run your file. And then comes the extension. So the code of C language has been written here. VS Code is telling us to install C extension. We don't have any plugin installed yet. Right now I will just tell you how to install theme and icon pack in VS Code. As I type the theme, see here in VS Code thousands of themes came in front of me. My favorite theme was the Sublime Material theme. Tell me which of you're in comments. There are two options in this theme, one is dark and one is a light. I like dark. Now I install the Icon Pack theme. Search Icon. Click on the first option that will appear. See, get a lot of icons here. Whatever files you do on work, it will pick up icon accordingly. Just install and activate it. Let us see if the Material Icon theme is activated or not. Let us create a file using another extension. So here we can create the file. Type anything you want. And again I directly save the rest of this file using Ctrl and S key. Here so many expectations. Now I select Dart extension. And save file. You can see the Material Icon theme is working fine. You see the Dart extension icon. And I want to show you a small setting which will help you a lot. Here you can see the gear option. You have to click on it, which will open the settings of VS Code. Click again Setting. Search Mouse. Here you have to scroll down a bit. There you will see an option Mouse Wheel Zoom. Click on it and exit the setting. Now you press Ctrl key and scroll on mouse will go up and down. Text is zoom and zoom out. It might help you a little bit in seeing your code, so I told you. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe.